Sobrang saya lang na sobrang saya sa sobrang fulfilling na magkaroon ng ganitong laro ulit. Yung magkaroon ng opportunity na yun nga, Cleveland may makatapat namin and maka-perform sa ganitong stage ulit ng laro. Yun nga, yung mga nakaraan namin laging kinakapos. But yun nga, this time, nagtugma-tugma rin siguro talaga lahat. So, happy kami na nakuha namin and yun nga, last game na lang, isa na lang, ang tsagahan na lang.
Na-secure niya na yung win, visibly emotional ka din talaga dahil sa panalong to. Can you just talk about the emotions that you were feeling after that game against Creamline?
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach na ng Creamline din talaga yung katapat namin. Talagang yung tutok sa trabaho talaga ng bawat isa. Hindi lang players pati coaches talaga na actually, yung mga coaches nga namin parang nagiging player na din kasi talagang yung per position talaga ng tao ng Creamline talagang inaral talaga namin. Kasi nga, given na yung gusto namin manalo, gusto din ng kalaban manalo. So, ang inaano kasi talaga ng mga coaches sa amin yung emotions namin na hindi tataas, hindi masyado babagsak. Kaya yun, so, si coach talaga yun.
It's surreal. You know, I can't wrap my head around it yet, maybe in an hour or two, but I'm sure tomorrow when we start talking about it, it'll kind of hit, but I'm just proud of everybody. I'm proud to be a part of it all. I'm super proud of our community, the people that support us, that love us, you know, so it's just great. It's a good feeling.
Sabi, can you take us through your fifth set performance? You scored 8 in that set.
I think I had to make up for a little bit. I wasn't doing so hot for the first 3 or 4. You know, but pressure's a privilege. I tend to perform better when there's a lot of pressure. So like that's just my job. I want to be in that role. So I'm just glad it transpired the way it did, and I'm glad it was in the 5th set.